much fun learning about zoo animals and jungle animals with you today. I'll see you later, alligator and a crocodile. Bye, friends. Bye, friends. Bye, bye, friends. We'll see you again real soon. Great job today. Hi, come on. Farm animals.
We get to go to a real farm.
Field trip.
Hey, I can't wait to meet an octopus.
There will not be an What are some animals? Yeah, a cow. Oh yeah, moo. And a duck.
Oh, a duck.
Yeah.
Quack, quack. Neigh.
Neigh. And a E-I-E-I.
Q.
Herbie, that's we need your help.
E-I-E-I-O, and on that E-I-E-I, here an oink, there an oink, E-I-E-I, with a neigh here and an
At a farm.
E-I-E-I, E-I-E-I-O.
Hi, Farmer Algie.
Hi, Rachel. Hi, Herbie. Hi, friends.
We're so excited. Pickle. No.
Herbie.
Yeah, okay, let's try again. 2, 3, 4, 5.
There are 5 eggs.
5 eggs.
It is a area of land used for growing food and raising animals. You ever been to a farm? What's that? Yes, barn. Animals. Open please and of the barn. Say it with me. Open please. It's a NGO, NGO, NGO was in Geo, 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 his name, oh. Oh, wow, it's we're pigs rolling in the mud. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, oink, oink. We're pigs in the mud. Let's feed it. Put out your feeding the miniature horse. That tickles. Horse? Does a horse say? Yeah. Neigh, neigh to the horse. Good job. What color is this? It's white.
Do you ride this?
Dude, would you like to ride Lobo?
Could I?
You can.
Yeah. Lobo, can I ride you? I think he said yes.
Okay, let's figure it out by using these tractors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of the day is 6. Nice job.
Listen, say please with me. Open, please. Swimming in the pond. Good job.
Oh, yeah, lots of love.
And apples and carrots.
Do you like apples and carrots? Yes, the farmer. Get it? The farmer. Has so farms are where our food from. We're thankful to our farmers. Thank you, farmers. Thank you, farmers. Animal.
That's right, kids. A sheep.
It's a sheep. It comes from sheep?
Right.
Or sock? Ba, ba, ba. Good job.